If you're looking for a baby bottle set that truly grows with your little one, the Dr. Brown's anti-colic options plus narrow glass starter set has everything you need in one box. You get the trusted anti-colic vent system, 3 nipple levels for every stage, protective silicone sleeves, storage and travel caps, a soft touch cleaning brush, and even the Happy Passy. It's durable, easy to clean, and designed to make feeding smoother from day one. One of the biggest perks of using the glass baby bottle is how incredibly heat resistant they are. These bottles are made from durable, high quality glass that can handle sudden temperature changes without cracking. That means going from warm water to cooler air or from the fridge to a bottle warmer is no problem. They stay stable, they don't warp, and they don't absorb odors or stains. So whether you're sterilizing, warming, or cooling, glass bottles give you safe, consistent performance every single time. When you're breastfeeding and introducing a bottle, the last thing you want is confusion or frustration for your baby. That's where Dr. Brown's Option Plus bottles really shine. Their narrow nipple shape is designed to feel familiar, helping babies latch onto the bottle the same way they latch onto the breast. That means feeding feels natural, not like they're switching to something completely different. The slow, controlled flow also mimics the pace of breastfeeding, so your baby doesn't get overwhelmed or start preferring the faster flow of a typical bottle. And because the anti-colic vent system reduces air intake, babies stay comfortable and relaxed, just like during a nursing session. The best part is how easily babies can go back and forth. Whether you're pumping, combo feeding, or just need someone else to take the feeding, these bottles help, and it keeps the rhythm consistent. Your baby gets the same smooth latch, the same steady flow, and the same comfortable experience, no matter which feeding method you're using. It's all about making the transition gentle, natural, and stress-free for both of you.